means 1000. So this 2314 is actually a combination of 2000 added up with 300s added up with 10 and added up with a 4. So 4 is basically 4 multiplied by 10 to the power of 0. Okay, perhaps because number base 10 is the most traditional number base being developed. I think simply because we have 10 fingers and it originated from there. And then there are so many other number bases used, which is base number base 2, 5, and so on. We will not question you this in our exams, but recommend you to actually revisit how to convert interbase, meaning how to convert base 10 to 2, base 2 to 5, or 8 to 2, and so on. It will be good for you to actually convert. So for example, if you consider the number 48, all right, what would this number be in base 5, right? So in this case, we write it out first as a multiples of 5, as in 5 power 0, 5 power 1, 5 power 2, 5 power 3, and so on. So 48, the highest power here would be 5 power 2, right? Because 5 power 3 is already 125, but our number is only 48. So 5 power 2, normally we start thinking of the highest power first. So 5 power 2 is 25. So 48 consists of 25 plus 4 times 5 power 1. Okay, how do we decide 4? Because 1 to the power 1 times 25 is 25. So 48 minus 25 is 23. So we have 23 more to fit it into base of 5. So it's obviously 4 times 5, because 4 times 5 is 20. And then we have remainder of another 3. So it's 25 plus 20 is 43, and we have remainder of it's 25 plus with 20, right? So it's 45. So 48 minus 45 is 3. So we need another 3. So 5 power 0 is 1. So 3 times 5 power 0 is actually 3. So it's 25 plus 20 plus 3. Okay, so we'll actually arrive to 48. So how do we write it out? It's actually 143, base 5. Okay, this is how you actually read it. And normally a number from the left is 5 power 0, power 1, power 2, and so on. Okay, so please do actually revise a bit on how a number base are interchanged. And another example, if you consider 4152 base 6, what would this number be in base 10? So how do you convert any base to base 10? Base 10 is basically the numbers that we are using. So what you need to do here is you simply need to convert, like the last digit 2 here will be 2 times 6 to the power 0, and then followed by 5 to the power 6 power 1, and 1 times 6 power 2, and 4 times 6 power 3. So it's quite simple. Okay, it starts from the extreme right being power 0, and it increases to the left. Okay, and then you just use your calculator and you compute, you will actually get 92 base 10, which is base 10 is basically the numbers that we used in our daily life, just that we don't write a base 10 at the bottom because it's understood. Okay, right, so please try to actually just revisit how number bases are being interchanged, and how to convert any base to base 10, and how to also convert any number which is base 10, our daily numbers, to any other base. Okay, next, another example here would be 1136 base 10 as a number of base 6. Okay, this a little bit challenging. Base 6, so we need to find the largest number first. So we need to think that 1136 divided by 6 is 189, remainder 2. So in this case, we need to keep on dividing, so we will know what will be the largest number or the smallest number. Okay, so each time here what we are doing, we are dividing the quotient with the number 6, right? So in this case, it will be 5, 1, 3, 2 to the base of 6. So this is a method. How do you convert base 10 to any base 6? So if it's base 5, you keep on dividing with 5. So you can use similar method to convert all the normal numbers which we use daily, which is base 10, to any other base. Okay. So another example, if you need to express 2213 base 4 as a number of base 5. Okay. So in this case, when you want to interchange different bases, so far we have actually visited how to convert any other base to base 10, or how to convert base 10 to any other base number. Okay. Now next we're going to see if we want to interchange a base like 10 to 6, 2 to 5, 8 to 2, and so on. So you can't directly convert. You need to always convert it to base 10 first as an intermediate base, and then you can convert to any other base after that. Please remember that, yeah. So for example, 22134, you convert it to base 10 first. Okay, and then next step here, you need to convert it, that particular base 10, to base 5 then. So base 10 is like an intermediate numbers, yeah. So you convert it, like I said, if you, because you want to convert to base 5, so you divide 167 with 5, and then whatever quotient you got, you actually divide it with 5 again, and this process repeats until you get a 0. Okay, so your answer would be 1132 base 5, right?